Hey guys, it's Edwina from ASA Anatomy for Medical. Welcome to this lecture. We're going to be looking at the sternum, one of the bones of the skeletal system of the human. If you guys are new to the channel, this will focus mainly on human anatomy. For medical, we focus on studying the anatomy in 3D because it's very hard to study the anatomy in 2D. So that's when we decided to share the 3D diagrams, the atlases on our website completely free without any registrations. So just visit our website medical.sanatomy.com and then you'll see all the details. Right. So without any further ado, let's just start with this. In this lecture, we're going to be studying the sternum of the skeletal system of the human. So if you visit our website, visit our blog, you will just see what we have over here. So the sternum is a bone at the center of the chest. So it's a bone that in the chest that doesn't move and it helps support breathing of the heart, breathing and the heart. So if you scroll down, you can then see the 3D interactive diagram of the sternum. You can pan around, zoom in, scroll with the mouse, and then hold on Shift to pan, and then rotate, left click. So if you wanna, so let's just scroll down. Wanna view it on full screen? Just click over here to open a new tab for you guys, and then over here, if you wanna know all the anatomical names and definitions, just search over here. So let's just say you unsure about the seven costal notch of the sternum. You can just type over here seven costal notch. Excuse my spelling. Of sternum, uh, sternum, and then just click search, and then you'll get all the details. So you can basically search for anything over here. So sternum dot, you can find all the definitions, and then just click the X if you want to start again. And again, if you want to buy these models, just click on this link. It is anatomy.com/store. So let's just continue with sternum. Open the full screen, click over here. Open a tab for you guys, and then you have the sternum in the full screen. You can rotate again, left mouse click, and then hold down Shift with your left mouse. You can pan, and then you can zoom in and out with your mouse. Like so. Okay. So starting more proximal, we have our jugular notch. This is a notch we have over here, this curve we have on our sternum. And then we have our clavicular notch. Clavicular notch because this is where the clavicle will be articulating with the manubrium sorry, of the sternum. So this is a clavicular notch. And then we have our manubrium here. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right. And then moving right on the side, we have our first costal notch. So this is where our costal cartilage will be inserting. So we have our first one, our second one, our third one over here, and then a fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh costal notch on the sternum. Moving right, so we have just look at this. This is very hard to pronounce. Let's just move like so. Manubrium sternal joint. So basically, this is a manubrium, and then this is a joint. So these bones are divided into three parts: manubrium, and then the body, and then the xiphoid, and then the xiphoid. So where they articulate or join, this is where you find this joint. So this is where you get this joint. It's a manubriosternal joint. And then we have the body of the sternum. This is the body of the sternum. And then moving more distally, we have the xyphosternal joint over here. So this is the xiphoid process, and then this is the sternum. So this is the xyphosternal joint, and then we have our xiphoid process, which will serve for the attachment for many muscles. Moving at the back, we have our transverse ridge over here. Um, this is what we have for the bones of the sternum. And again, if you guys unsure, if you want to know more, just search over here on our website at medical.sanatomy.com. And again, I'm Adrian from sanatomy.com for medical. So I'll see you guys on the next lecture.